Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day. We went shopping for flowers yesterday and we spent the whole day planting and bushes and stuff. Flowers and bushes. And now today I'm taking a little walk and I smell, oh my gosh, the fragrance on it is so good. I don't even know what it is, but it smells so good. Anyway, I wish that you could smell it through this video. Anyway, take a walk with me. I'm taking a walk. There's all kinds of beautiful growth. This is the way it is in the summer. And beautiful daisies. Oh, I love the wild daisies. And the buttercups. Look at that buttercup. We used to put it under each other's chins to see if we, quote, liked butter, if it reflected yellow. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm going to take a nice walk. We had a beautiful, gentle rain all night, so it watered the garden and all the flowers and the bushes that we planted, and they look really good, perky and everything. So now just taking a nice walk. Hope you're having a wonderful day.